Welcome back everyone to 747 Fishing. This is the first episode out of 10 from our trips across Australia, and episode number 1 was a big team effort from Vanessa, who first hooked that fish, fought for it for 10 minutes, then we dropped the GoPro. The 10 minutes later I took over the rod to finish this fish that came up, and this was a real highlight, fishing out of Darwin at the far north of Australia. Vanessa hooked this fish in 40 meter of water, fishing with a squid as bait. Fishing pretty heavy setup. It's a 10,000 Shimano Zaragoza setup, drag on 20 kilo and some real power on that fish. Yeah, bummer. Dropped the GoPro and we could not retrieve it while fishing. Everyone else was also really busy, so a few minutes later we managed to get me onto the rod, and then I could start moving this fish further up, and let's see what it is. Link in the description below also about the charter boat. It's offshoreboats.com.au. I'll leave all the details below. Fantastic charter boat with Matt as the skipper. Yeah, a really big bronze whaler shark. This one about 7 foot to 8 foot long. When you're fishing so far out in remote Australia, there is no way that we were gonna try to get the hook really out of his mouth. Way too dangerous in such a remote area. And so a cut just above the hook and the shark will get rid of that hook, no doubt. Hope you enjoyed this small highlight film, and the next one will come in the next few days, and there is then altogether 9 more to come. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video and comment how you liked it. Catch you guys on the next episode.